and now I'm placed in Euler Motors. It's been a life-changing experience.
Hey everyone, I'm Shivani, HR and Placement Head at DIYguru.
So today I'm with Shreyash. He has joined our PG program course as DIY Guru and he has just placed Euler Motors as a Shreyash. How are you, Shreyash?
I'm good.
And Shreyash, firstly, congratulations. You joined Euler Motors as a service engineer. So Shreyash, tell us about yourself something.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm really happy to be here. So I'm Shreyash Sonavane. I've completed my BE in EC, Electronics and Communication Department. After college, I wanted to get into the EV industry as it always grabbed my attention. But as a fresher, no one was giving me a chance because I had zero practical knowledge about EV skills. That's when I found DIY Guru's PG program, which I joined in January, and now I'm placed in Euler Motors. It's been a life-changing experience.
Okay. So tell us about the PG program. What did the course cover and what helped you the most?
Yes, ma'am. So DIY's PGQ program is very different from what I have learned from regular college. So what we get into the knowledge we get from regular college is different from what this PG program gives us. The curriculum covers everything about the EV fundamentals, battery technology, BMS, motor, and rest all. And if even it tells it like it gives informations about all the sectors, EV sectors, like marketing and all that, like charging infrastructure, everything. And what really helped me was the practical knowledge, the practical focus they have given us. We didn't just study into theory. We actually learned how to diagnose faults, read BMS data, understand motor controllers and all that stuff. And
Okay.
their trainers and industry professionals, they are not just lectures. They even if we have a same issue with any subject, they again and again they explain very well. And even in DIY Guru, I have noticed this, that they don't teach they don't teach from a particular subject. They cover everything about the EV, and that's what helped me in grabbing this job in Elon Motors.
Okay. And that's exactly what made the difference in your interview, right? So beyond this course, how was the placement support?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, that's what stands out DIY Guru, because the placement team, they have helped me in rebuilding my resume from like the resume or CVs I have used in my college are
Hmm.
totally basic, and what they have they have helped me in building. That helped me in getting into companies. I have been like two or three interviews from DIY Guru, and I got the best job, and now even my family is happy with it.
Okay. And someone confusing in their career, like what they should in EV. So, what is your message from them, for them?
If they're watching, I just want to talk directly to you. I know exactly how you are feeling right now because I was there. I was in your shoes also. The fresher, confused, no clear path. Everyone is saying that you need an experience to get into this job. But no one was giving me this chance to showcase my skills, to show what I have learned. But DIY Guru, they gave me the chance. The training is real. The placement support is real. I'm a living proof. You can see. I went from zero knowledge about EV industry, and now the information, the knowledge I got from DIY Guru's program, I got the experienced placement in Elliott Motors right now. So if you are
Okay.
serious about EV industry, stop waiting, reach out to DIY Guru, talk to the team, enroll in the PG program, and then it's just steps. You just keeps climbing the steps, and that's
Oh,
what
thank you
changed
so
my
much,
life. Right.
Yash. Yeah. And you beautifully said everything about DIY Guru. We are so proud of you, and we can't wait to see grow at Euler Motors. And congratulations, and all the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Everyone watching, if you want to be our next success story, connect with us. Link in the description. See you in the next one.